Swan from Mercury. They are going to make a bird nest.
Namaste, this is grade 1 project. We are making bird nest. Thank you. Namaste. We met in group. We are happy by we making it. Namaste. We are happy to see it. We are learning for it. Namaste. We are enjoying it. Thank you.
Okay, how many bird nests have you made altogether? How many? 8. Which bird lives here? Which bird lives here? Hen and yeah, crows. Yeah, are these eggs? Are these eggs?
Yes.
Yeah, what is this, dear? Egg. Okay. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye, grade 1. Are you happy? Bye bye. Tata, bye bye.